बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज सज्जाद। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4. माय स्कूल नेम इज फिजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, पाकिस्तान. Today we are going to learn grade 8 oral maths for oral science commerce group. New syllabus mathematics book 3 7th edition, chapter number 1 quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1 solving quadratic equations by completing the intermediate level V3 type question. Question number 5, solve each of the following questions. D. So also the form of quadratic equations are written and the method. And today we are going to do the completing the square method. Also the book answers and the steps are written. So you can see we are going to start this book 3 O levels. So the first step is converting to standard form. So here will come x square minus 4x is equal to 2x 14. Then this will become here. So x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. We have a possibility to solve this. So x square minus 4x minus 6x minus 14 is equal to 0. Then use coefficient of x. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, square it. Okay, put on both sides and solve. Okay, so here will come x square minus 6x minus 14 minus 14 plus 3 whole square is equal to 3 whole square. Then this minus 14 will be go there. So x square minus 6x plus 3 whole square is equal to 3 3 is 9, then plus 14. Then use a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. Here we will use the a minus b whole square formula. X minus 3 whole square and we will do the plus. So 23 will become here. Then take radical on both sides. Okay. Now we are to cut this and make into two equations. So x minus 3 is equal to radical 23 x minus 3 is equal to minus radical 23. Now square root is 4.7958. Okay, is equal to 4.7958. X minus 3 is equal to minus 4.7958. I am solving these both in the one time. So this will be go there and this will be go there. Then the ninth is roots are 7.7958. 7.7958 and minus 1.7958 and minus 1.7958. Now we will do the round off. So here we will come x is equal to 7.80 and x is equal to minus 1.80. No, so we have roots and we have found a root. So roots are 7.80 or minus 1.80 and this is become our answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. 7.80 minus 1.80 minus 1.80 It simple means this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.